Good morning, guys, and Merry Christmas to you and to you and to you. So today's Christmas Day, and I'm up early, not very early, 7 a.m. I'm in the kitchen, and I want to start cooking. From 5 days ago, you guys know I always talk about prepping before the day you have to cook, so it's easy. So today, I don't think I'm going to stress a lot, and I don't have a lot of things to cook. But yes, I'm going to take you guys back to 5 days ago, how I started prepping for my Christmas meal. If you watched the video where I went to the market to shop, you would definitely know what I'm cooking today. So just keep watching. If you've not watched that video, it's okay. Just keep watching and you'll see what we're going to make for Christmas. 5 days before Christmas, I made chin chin for the family. 2 days before Christmas, I deveined my shrimps, cleaned them, and then I seasoned them and kept in the freezer. I went ahead to make my coconut milk from scratch. Now, I'm going to ask you, when you cook coconut rice, do you make your coconut milk from scratch? I think the next time I'm doing this, I would buy store-bought coconut milk and just try to see the difference. I went ahead to also blend my garlic and ginger, and then I seasoned my chicken and I kept it in the freezer. On the 25th in the morning, the first thing I started with were my vegetables for my vegetable salad. So I went ahead to wash, peel, and then I soaked my vegetables in water containing salt and vinegar, and then I left that aside and I went ahead to start cooking all the other meals. Stay with me on this video to see all the meals that I'm cooking. I'm sure by now you know I'm making coconut jollof, but then there are other meals I'm making, so stay with me to see what else I would be making. If it's your first time on this channel, please do me well to subscribe. I have interesting food related content on this channel and I'm sure that you're going to love it. kept us busy since morning.